Hello, this is Flat Renovation Update Day 36. Okay, jokes aside, let's take a look around and see what has been done. I don't know what is going on over here. It's probably holding this up to make this smooth. Okay, so in the shower, they're still busy working on getting this centered, and that's centered over there. That's going to be a lot of work, I believe. And then not much else has been done over here. They've just been probably applying more coats of paint to this wall, and this section up on top of here is painted, and they still need to paint all this over here, and obviously paint this over here next week. So that's it. Still need to have these two glass pieces of glass installed. So that's it for day 36.